Hi, my name is Saroja Nimmagadda. I just want to let you all know that I have a new series coming up in the summer. It's on the topic of autism, which is something that's really personal for me because I have a son who's autistic. He's nonverbal, he has autism, and he's on the severe end of it. And he was diagnosed when he was 13 months old. And now he's 21 and just graduated from high school. And he's still nonverbal, but he finds other ways of communicating. So this is a topic that's really personal for me, and I just want to reach out to other people and help them any way that I can with this series. I will be in the summer and it'll be a clearing a month, and the first clearing will be autism series, caring for a loved one with autism, which will be on Saturday, June 28th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. The second series will be on autism series, language and communication barriers, and that will be done on Saturday, July 26th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And the third clearing will be autism series, challenging behaviors. That will be done on Saturday, August 30th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. I also want to give you a list of my offerings. I offer a one-time 15-minute free consultation. If you have any questions about this series or anything else, you can schedule for this free 15-minute consultation and we can talk about it, any of your concerns. Just so you know, this is not a 15-minute clearing. It's a way for us to talk and get to know each other. I also offer a 30-minute private session. I offer a 45-minute private session. I offer a 60-minute private session. I also offer a 3 60-minute session package deal at a reduced rate. I also offer a 6 60-minute private session package deal at a reduced rate. One of the things about autism, when I look through Facebook reels or read about autism, is how people, loved ones, whether it's parents or grandparents, how worried they are about their person who has autism. What's going to happen to my loved one with autism when I leave this earth, when I die? Who's going to take care of them? The anxiety, the negative emotions, the worry, the sadness. And I want to provide a little short clearing to help reduce some of that anxiety. Okay, so I'm gonna surround everybody in the light, in the highest frequency source light. And you can call people in. If you want to call in your loved one with autism, you can do that. You can call in your other family members if you want, and have you all surrounded in the light. What I'm going to do is I'm going to provide the clearing, expand the energies in the group bigger and brighter in all directions, bigger and brighter, bigger and brighter, bigger and brighter, bigger and brighter in all directions. Okay, I'm getting a sense of discarnate energy. All discarnates in the group field present, seen and unseen, known and unknown, hidden or hidden, inside the group's field and outside the group field present. Let's go deeper in subconscious. All discarnates in the group field present, seen or unseen, known or unknown, hidden or hidden, inside the group field and outside the group field present. Let's go deeper in subconscious. All discarnates in the group field present, seen or unseen, known or unknown, hidden or hidden, inside the group field and outside the group field present. Let's go down deeper in the subconscious one more time. All discarnates in the group field present, seen or unseen, known or unknown, hidden or hidden, inside the group field and outside the group field present. Let's gather all the discarnates. Let's get their attention. Hi, this is not your body. You're in someone else's body. I'm going to show you the big picture, taking you up to super consciousness. Remember what happened? That's right. Remember what happened? That's right. You died. You were hovering over your body. Now you're in someone else's body. I want you to look up into the light. Look up into the light. You see your beloveds. See your family members. They want a reunion with you. Who wants a reunion with their beloveds up in the light? Okay, so I'll cast a white flame, sending all the discarnates up into the light, clearing all discarnates out of the field from all realms, dimensions, black holes, time, and space. Bringing more white creation light into the group field, expanding the energies bigger and brighter in all directions, expanding energies bigger and brighter in all directions, expanding energies bigger and brighter in all directions, expanding energies bigger and brighter in all directions. Okay, I'm getting a sense of dark force interferences. All dark force interferences in the group field present, seen or unseen, known or unknown, hidden or hidden, inside the group field and outside the group field present. Let's go deeper in the subconscious. All dark force interferences in the group field present, seen or unseen, known or unknown, hidden or hidden, inside the group field and outside the group field present. Let's go deeper in the subconscious. All dark force interferences in the group field present, seen or unseen, known or unknown, hidden or hidden, inside the group field and outside the group field present. Let's go deeper in subconscious one more time. All dark force interferences in the group field present, seen or unseen, known or unknown, hidden or hidden, inside the group field and outside the group field present. Let's bring all the dark forces to one side. Everybody in the group on the other side, bring a big white flame in between. We're going to dissolve all agreements, contracts, oaths, vows, promises into the white flame, clearing all hooks, cords, attachments, bindings, entanglements into the white flame, clearing any martyrdom into the white flame, clearing any victim frequencies into the white flame throughout all realms, dimensions, black holes, time and space, clearing all perpetrator energies into the white flame throughout all realms, dimensions, black holes, time and space, clearing any frequencies of torture into the white flame, clearing any frequencies of horror and terror into the white flame, clearing any frequencies of feeling stuck into the white flame throughout all realms, dimensions, black holes, time and space. Gaining a sense of the new paradigm, we're talking to the dark force interferences. New paradigm is showing up. Who wants to, I can accelerate you if you choose to be a person of love and light. Who wants to do that? Okay, we'll accelerate some of you into the new paradigm, accelerating into the new paradigm, accelerating into the new paradigm. I see ascended masters coming down to take these other dark force interferences out. So clearing all dark force interferences out of the group field throughout all realms, dimensions, black holes, time and space. Casting the white flame into the group field, we're going to clear out emotions and frequencies of feeling tortured, feeling heartbroken, feeling terrorized, feeling hopeless, feeling despair, feeling humiliated. Let's clear all these frequencies, emotions, and energies out of the body throughout all realms, dimensions, black holes, time and space. Bring in more creation white light into the body, expanding into the group field, expanding the energies bigger and brighter in all directions, expanding the energies bigger and brighter in all directions, expanding the energies bigger and brighter in all directions, expanding the energies bigger and brighter in all directions. Gaining a sense of evil frequencies. Okay, let's bring a ball of white light for each person who's participating in this group clearing. All evil frequencies in the group field present, seen or unseen, known or unknown, hidden or hidden, inside the group field and outside the group field present. Let's go deeper in the subconscious. All evil frequencies in the group field present, seen or unseen, known or unknown, hidden or hidden, inside the group field and outside the group field present. Let's go deeper in the subconscious. All evil frequencies in the group field present, seen or unseen, known or unknown, hidden or hidden, inside the group field and outside the group field present. Let's go deeper in subconscious. All evil frequencies in the group field present, seen or unseen, known or unknown, hidden or hidden, inside the group field and outside the group field present. Let's light up everybody, make everybody their brighter, brighter, brightest, bright, 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 making it their brighter, brighter, brightest. Call Bonnie in. Okay, gathering all these evil frequencies. I'm going to ask permission to use the black netting. Casting the black netting on these evil frequencies to annihilate them, clearing all the debris out of the group field throughout all realms, dimensions, black holes, time and space. Allowing all soul pieces are into the bowl of white lights. Taking the soul pieces in the bowl of white light. We're going to clean it, clear it, activate it, bringing it up to creation white light, bringing it back to each person's original light print, allowing the soul pieces for each person to go into their heart, anchoring it into the seat of their soul throughout their whole body. Casting the white flame into the group field. Let's clear out emotions of feeling tortured, feeling shattered, shock, energies of shock. Let's clear that out. Post-traumatic stress disorder, feeling animosity, heartbreak, sadness, feeling terrorized, feeling terror. Let's clear these emotions and frequencies out of the body throughout all realms, dimensions, black holes, time and space. Seeing soul pieces coming back. Let's ask all soul pieces to come back. They're ready to come back from all realms, dimensions, black holes, time and space. From the upper realms, the middle realms, the lower realms, from any past lives, this lifetime, any future lifetimes. Asking if there's any soul pieces that are captured. Asking those come out. All captured soul pieces present. Any devoured soul pieces present. Let's present any devoured soul pieces. Take all these soul pieces, make sure they're cleansed, cleared, activated, bringing it back to each person's original light print. Taking these soul pieces, making sure they're clean and whole, bringing it into into the appropriate person's heart, into the seat of the soul, anchoring it in. Let's clearing it out. So let's seal all rips, tears, holes throughout each person's organs. Upgrading their DNA frequency. Balancing their right and left brain hemispheres. Balancing their masculine and feminine energies. Clearing out any genetic abnormalities that are not needed anymore. Clearing those out from all realms, dimensions, black holes, time and space. Reactivating, rejuvenating all the muscles, tissues, bones, cells, organs in the group field. Bringing in more white creation light into the group field. More highest frequency gold light into the group field. Giving a sense of angel light into the group field, bringing angel light into the group field. And more Christ consciousness light in the group field. Sealing everybody's auric field, sealing auric field. I cut all energetic cords between me and the group, cutting all energetic cords, sending everyone's energy back to all lovingly back to you, pulling all my energy back to me. And when you're ready, just bring awareness back into your eyes. Make sure you're present. You're present in your body. And when you're ready, just open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this clearing. Take a little rest, drink some water, and I hope to see you all at the Autism Series clearing. Have a blessed day. Bye.